Today we are filming a truth or drink with my best friend, Ollie.
Yay, my intro!
Yay! Ollie's channel is gonna be linked down below. Part 2 will be down there.
First question. Both of you guys are YouTubers. Do you actually watch all of each other's videos?
First of all, the term should be used loosely. I just started 3 months ago.
No.
I had to wait for her to answer first.
I watch like 80% though.
That's good.
Yeah.
If it's like a cooking video, I know I'm not gonna.
Did you watch my last one with the edits in it?
Yes, I did. I liked it. I really liked it.
Who in your YouTube friend group is the least talented?
I think we're thinking the same person.
No!
I'm not gonna. Oh. Can I do a half shot though? I feel like we're gonna have
talented.
to take a. Fuck.
Y'all bitches
Like,
better thank me.
Bottoms up.
I'm
Here we go,
scared.
chickie.
How are we already a mess? We're spilling.
Can I have a napkin?
Napkin on set.
Ollie,
Oh God.
what does Cal bring to the table that Remy doesn't?
Oh, like. I'm sorry. He keeps you grounded. Like, he's just like very normal. You know?
Yeah, I know. I get it.
Like, he's one of your only straight counterparts.
Yes,
Well, male counterparts. So
Yes.
I feel like he keeps you normal.
I agree.
Yeah.
Politics.
Politics.
Movies.
He educates you.
He does,
Yeah.
truly.
Ollie,
Oh, me again? This is bias. Not you chuggling. Not me gonna be on my second shot.
I'm scared.
Remy has had some public friendship breakups.
Oh
Okay.
no.
Who are you most excited to see leave?
Can I answer that?
Yeah.
There's 2 that come to mind.
Split the room. Tell them both.
Who was I most excited to leave?
You said.
You said.
Definitely Lay. Is that mean? I'm sorry if you're still watching. She was kind of mean.
Remy.
Question? Yes.
Are we keeping
I'm
this in?
scared. Yeah. Well, we can of course watch.
Oh, I don't care as long as you're okay
We'll
with
we'll
it.
watch back. I'm
Yeah.
drunk already. Yes.
Remy.
If Alicia's already laughing, you know it's gonna be bad.
I feel the shot hitting me already.
Remy, you have had some public friendship breakups.
Ooh.
Who are you most excited to see leave?
Feel my fucking heart right now. I think I gotta take a shot on this one.
No answer. I like these questions.
Oh.
Who's hooked up with more people?
Oh, Miss Remy Ashton.
You think?
I think so. Well, okay, maybe me.
I think you.
Maybe me.
I think you. Do you know your number?
I think I stopped counting.
Oh,
I
then Ollie.
But I'm not a hoe.
Everyone has their little era.
I had an era.
You had an
19
era.
was a dark era.
Mine was short-lived, but
Yeah.
she went off.
she went off.
Who carries the weight more for Pretty Basic?
Is that a both of us question or is that a you question? I literally feel drunk already. Oh my god, this is so bad. I would say it's split.
Split the room.
It's split because Alicia does a lot more like behind the scenes kind of stuff, but I feel like I usually talk more on the podcast. She always is planning and like strategizing and making meetings and things, so.
Who are you most embarrassed to be friends with?
Oh god. There's so many.
I know your answer.
Wait, do you?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, tell me.
I'm truly not embarrassed by anybody. I'm really, really not. And I would answer if I was.
Yeah, I'm not embarrassed by any closer friends.
No.
Yeah, no. Was it close friends?
Excuse me.
I'm gonna let that slide.
But I don't. I love all my friends.
I love all my
No,
friends.
you
It's actually Alicia.
did. Ollie,
Yes.
do you think Remy's style is tacky?
No, I mean, definitely not. It's definitely like her taste, but that's
You can say yes.
That's coming out wrong.
You can say yes, it's okay. Sometimes I put things on and I agree with you. I'm sorry. No, I do agree. I do agree.
It depends. You know, sometimes I'm like, wow, you look confident in that.
It's the confidence for me.
Literally.
I wish I had as much
It's
confidence
okay, you
as
have a stylist now. Things are getting better.
What's something illegal that you've done and regret?
illegal.
Okay.
Not the evil.
Don't manifest that for me. That's a big shot again.
Something illegal. Can you even admit that on camera? Something illegal. I forgot to do the census. Is that illegal? Should we cut that out?
I already told you it's not illegal. I remember your Florida days. Don't lie to me.
Ugh. Not me already 2 shots in.
I'm 3 in, I think.
Okay, good.
Have you ever cheated or helped someone cheat?
Like
Yes.
cheated
Oh.
on a partner?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we were talking about tests. I'm sorry, I take it back.
Remy, yes.
No, how do you help someone cheat?
Like you lie for
Or
them
you
where
allow
they
it.
are.
Oh, no.
Maybe unknowingly?
I have a friend who was a side hoe for
A
like
friend.
years, but I didn't not necessarily allow it. I just like I can't read. I can't hear.
I choose not
I
to
can't
see it.
hear.
So you always allude to the beach story on Pretty Basic.
Yes.
What actually happened on the beach?
What happened?
One day, I went out
You did. Without me.
without you. Where were you? I happened to be out with someone that I was seeing
See.
casually at the time. He also brought a
around.
friend. Shut the fuck up. He brought a friend.
A friend.
They said, hey, we want to hit the town. I said, oh my God, my best friend Alicia is out right now.
Alicia Marie,
Let's
honey.
meet up with them. We meet up, we have a good time. Never mind, I'm just gonna take the
We had an off-camera breakdown.
my mom's gonna watch this.
An off-camera breakdown. Oh God. You're gonna be black.
Oh, that one was worse than the ones before. Oh no.
I'm already drunk.
I drank all my chaser.
Oh.
Is this funny?
Okay.
How many toys do you own?
Toys. Like, what kind of toys? Well, I'm single, so I don't own any.
Wouldn't you own them if you are single?
No.
I have like 4.
4.
Maybe 5.
What would make you immediately swipe left on someone?
They have too many friends in the first photo.
Oh, that or gym selfies,
Ew.
shirtless selfies.
And that would get a rip.
List Asian Girl Squad by favorite to least favorite.
Oh, Remy.
You're gonna answer this one?
Yes. Remy, Lauren, Mia, and Tiffany. Sorry, Tiffany. We don't really hang out.
Love you, Tom.
What's the biggest lie you've ever told?
To each other?
Yes.
I know Remy.
The night that I lost my virginity, Ollie and I happened to be out for Valentine's Day because we were each other's Valentines. And
Desperate times.
Desperate times call for desperate measures. I got hit up to go see someone.
Hit up in front of me in
And
the Uber.
I was like, I'm so tired. I gotta go home. So I dropped him off at home. And then I went and lost my virginity. But before I did, Ollie was calling me and was like, girl, like, you can tell me the truth. Like, I know, because apparently I was texting.
Oh, I saw the text. This was her. Full lighting on. I'm coming over.
I was like, I'll see you tomorrow.
And I was like, you can tell me if you're gonna see him, just not on Valentine's Day.
but we figured it out. There was a loophole. It happened on the 15th because it was late. So it wasn't.
Loophole. That's what I tell my therapist.
We've sorted through it. I'm sorry, I really am.
It's okay.
Every birthday message, I like write a caption. I'm like,
You
sorry.
reiterate?
I'm sorry for Valentine's Day 2018.
It's still a trauma of mine. The biggest lie I tell you time and time again is I'm 5 minutes away.
That's so true. That's so true.
It's more like a daily lie at this point. Remy had me sleep over because she knew I would be late today to film.
Am I sweaty? Do I look sweaty?
No, sit up, sit up.
I'm so drunk.
Rem, what are you doing?
Can you see
I
now?
look stylish.
Oh wait, I like this. I can
Aren't
see
they cute?
myself.
They're cute, right? Okay.
I can see my reflection in
Next
them.
question.
Last person you stalked on social media.
This person I stalked.
Like, stalked.
Ooh, I have a good one. Remy and Alicia's ex.
We don't normally stalk people,
But guess who fucking...
but we recently did.
Yes.
Which of Remy's exes is your favorite?
The one you
Oh,
met.
favorite.
The one you met from Ryan, the really attractive. He's about 6'4". He got that big abdominals. What's his name? Logan.
Oh, he never shuts up about this one.
Logan.
Did you remember that one?
Logan was.
He was good looking.
Oh, he was beyond.
Hope you're doing well, Logan.
From his exes was your least favorite.
Oh. Obviously the one you lost your virginity to.
Was it because of the lie?
No. He was trash.
Remy, what's your favorite Ollie story?
T.
Probable favorite that I wasn't there for. Well, my favorite. Fuck.
Wait, I want to hear a story with both of us. Wait, say our favorite together story.
Okay, let me take these off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My favorite of us together is when we went out one night and we were together the whole night and then Ollie
scared.
went to the bar to get us waters.
Oh, yeah.
So I was just standing there for like 10 seconds by myself.
Not even 10, literally 5 seconds. I ran to the bar.
Ollie-
I gripped you to the table. I was like, stand here.
Ollie literally like leaves me for like 5 seconds. As I'm standing there, all of a sudden
I
this
leashed you to
random
the
dude,
table.
like comes in and he's like, hey, and I was like, oh, hi. And he was like
She's
talking
too
to me
friendly.
about how he had a helicopter and something something and something something.
Not the Tony Lopez helicopter.
Yeah.
A real helicopter.
And then Ollie comes back with the water and this is him. What's going on here?
I was just concerned. I was like, who is this man?
I was confused too.
He had his arm around her.
Who's a person that you regret sleeping with the most?
Whoa.
You gonna do it?
Yeah. I guess that's mean of me to say.
I would say
Logan?
no.
Logan was a glorious moment for the both of us.
I would have to say the one right before Cal. This is the last one for this video?
Yeah, cool.
For this video?
Yeah.
Was this enough?
No, for you. We have more.
But don't what? No, for this video we're done?
Your video, yeah.
Oh, was this not good enough though?
No, I promise it was great.
Do you think it was good enough?
I don't remember what
I don't
we said.
either. Yeah, I don't want to do.
Last question for this video.
Yeah, I think.
What's your biggest fear in a relationship?
Oh, that's good.
For dating?
We can answer that. You go first.
Explain.
I think getting cheated on.
Yeah.
Just because that sounds really awful.
Yeah.
Or them falling out of love with you, which
That's triggering.
I feel like I don't know which would be harder to cope with. Do you know what I mean? Either way, I think my biggest thing, and I've dealt with this for a long time. Oh fuck, we're getting deep.
Oh.
Is when you're like, why was I
band.
not good enough? So if
Yeah.
someone were to cheat on you, it's like, why was I not good enough, or why was I not enough? And then
Yeah.
if they fall out of love with you, then you're like, why was I not enough?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Not this. Cut the cameras. Mine would be lying. I hate liars.
Okay, Mr. 5 minutes away.
Listen, a white lie is okay, but when you lie about
No, I
every
agree.
thing,
I
even
agree.
in friendships, it's like, why?
Ollie can clock a lie from 5 million miles away.
I'm like,
and he
liar.
clocks it early, then he just files it back. Thank you guys for watching. I had a wonderful time. Thank you for coming onto my
you for having
channel.
me.
We've talked about this for years,
Yes.
and finally we're here.
We're finally here. You convinced me to make a
Yay.
channel.
I know. Ollie's channel will be linked down below. Watch the part
Thank you.
2.
The
and we-
charity. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and like and comment, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.